Go. Come on, feed it. Feed it. Feed it.
Oh, he's gonna. Oh, he looks like he's gonna jump. See? Look at him. Oh dear.
Come on, you can't go there. You gotta go somewhere else. He's got a big mark on his head too, poor thing. Look.
Uh-huh.
There's a scratch on his head. Come on. Feed it.
Dude. Okay, maybe I'll just use Paul's bike. Oh!
Come on. Off you go.
I don't think that's... Okay.
Ooh, I jumped from there. Look at his big eye.
I know. Well, the other one's black, I think. So because he's shedding, he might not be able to see very good. Maybe... Oh, he's creeping me out.
He's got nowhere to go though, has he?
No.
And whatever happens if you start the bike? Get on and start the bike.
No.
Go on.
Hell no.
I'll video it.
No way, I'd have to put my hand right there. I think I'll see if Paul's bike's available. Okay. Okay. The Trials of Thailand. Oi, oi.
Oh. He's cranky now.
He's hissing at you.
Here comes. Oh, look at him.
Oh, he's mad now, Popsy.
Shedding his skin.
Oh, Mr. 2K. Alright, yeah, we're not going to hurt you. You can't see hardly, can you?
No, I don't think.
Hang on. No, he's got this. No, he's got one eye you can see out of, the other
Right.
eye's all got the skin over it.
Yeah, you can't see. Poor guy. Okay.
He just needs to scrape it on something, but I don't want to hurt him or anything.